Hey, it's Gina from WTI. I don't know what garden bed I've been living under, but I had never heard of stainless steel metal hoses for the garden before. I have plants in various areas of my yard, and I have to drag around a hose to each of those spots in order to water them. Now, my arms get really tired when I'm using a rubber hose, and I get so frustrated because when you have a kink in it, you have to go and fix that spot, and it seems like as soon as you get a kink, it's always going to remember that for the life of the hose. I am so impressed by how lightweight this hose is from Rosy Earth. It's 100 feet long, but I can easily lift the entire thing up and down many times. I love that this hose doesn't get tangled up. It doesn't get kinks in it. It works perfectly. I have it attached to my soaker hose out in my raised garden area, but I often have to unscrew it in order to attach a nozzle and water different areas of my yard. The connections are really smooth and easy to unscrew or screw back on, and I've had no issues with them leaking, which makes me really happy. There's really no reason to be lugging around heavy rubber hoses anymore. I absolutely love the stainless steel hose. It has changed my life in the garden. And that's my point of view.